He played here earlier this afternoon, and by all accounts, it was some more of a show, and I'm sorry I missed it, but old Dad had to work. And I love you, son. I'm very proud of you and all your boys. And if he hadn't already worked today, I'd have made him get up and sing one with me tonight, but we'll do that some other time. All right. This is called Cold Ashes. We appreciate you. Another nice round of applause for Caleb Smith, Caleb Daugherty, Tim Corbett, all the fly-by nights. There was a time love was blooming and the sun was steady shining down on me. All I see is grief and sorrow, trying to remember to forget your memory. Where did you go? Why did you leave me? How long will I wait for your return? A heart on fire, so deceiving. I should have learned cold ashes just don't burn. For tomorrow, I'll give myself the freedom to be free. No more shame, guilt, or sorrow. It's time I learned you're just you used to be. Where did you go? Why did you leave me? How long will I wait for your return? A heart on fire, so deceiving. I should have learned cold ashes just don't burn. Where did you go? Why did you leave me? How long will I wait for your return? A heart on fire, so deceiving. I should have learned cold ashes just don't burn. Where did you go? Why did you leave me? How long will I wait for your return? A heart on fire, so deceiving. I should have learned cold ashes just don't burn. Let the rain wash away the embers of my pain until nothing here remains, and again I'll give my heart away. Where did you go? Why did you leave me? How long will I wait for your return? A heart on fire, so deceiving. I should have learned cold ashes just don't burn. I should have learned cold ashes just don't burn. Thank you, folks.